Hi students, welcome to our chemistry online classes. In the last class I discussed about the bicyclo compound. So there are a few examples. Now, this is one compound. Numbering should be from the bridgehead carbon. This is also bridgehead carbon, this is also bridgehead carbon. Clear this is? Then if you start, then you will get here third position. If you start from here, you will get the third position. So any one direction you can take that, you will get the lowest number to this substance, that is third. Now name it. The last class, whatever I am telling you, don't forget stereoisomerism plus locant. Come on. Prefix secondary. I am not writing a total. Prefix secondary plus prefix primary plus root word plus suffix primary, then plus suffix secondary. Come on. Here, locant question, what is that? Numbering, which direction you want? From top to bottom or bottom to up? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this is 8. Tell now, locant position is 3. 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Then what we have to use? This is over, then this is primary prefix, bicyclo, then XYZ. X how much? 1, 2, 3 carbons are there in this bridge, then 3, not common, that should be dot. And here how much is there? 2, because this XYZ should be in decreasing order, longest to smallest chain length. Then here how much is there? 1, then 1, and total how many? 8, then oct, A, single bond, this is root word oct, suffix primary, that is A. Clear this? Now the question is, this one. Don't write this one, just listen first. If you write this, okay, but this one. The numbering should be start from this bridgehead carbon, top or bottom? Bottom. Just we are trying to give the lowest number to the double bond. But according to one rule, that is called Brett's rule. Double bond not exists at the bridgehead carbon. Double bond not exists at a double head carbon below 8 carbon largest ring. This how many carbon largest ring this is? 6. Below 8 not possible. 8 onwards it is possible. Otherwise you can say up to 7 carbon largest ring. This double bond not exists at the bridgehead carbon. Got the point? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 member ring. So double bond, this is which carbon? This is bridgehead carbon. At bridgehead carbon, double bond not exists. Because at double bond at bridgehead carbon not, because this is which carbon? sp. sp2 mean what is the shape of the molecule? Trigonal, planar. So planar is not exist at the bridgehead carbon. That is the Brett's rule. What do you call that is? Brett's rule means planarity is not exist at the bridgehead carbon. Therefore, double bond is not possible at the bridgehead carbon when it is up to 7 membered ring. Up to 8 above, 8 or 9, 10 legs is there. That time is possible. That also possible when this should be in a trans form. If it is in the cis form, that is also not possible. Got the point? When it is possible, double bond at the bridgehead position, 8 carbon above. But in which form it is possible? Trans form. Clear this is? Now it is possible this type of compound or not there? No. Because there is how many membered ring? This is 6 membered ring largest. So now if it is given like this, same like this compound. Now how many membered ring this is? 7 membered ring or not? This 7, this is 8, this is leave it. Largest ring which one? 8. Sorry, 7. Then here double bond is not possible at the bridge head position. You can remove this and you can get here also. This is also bridge head carbon. So here also not possible. Now like this. Now we can write double bond. Possible or not? How many member ring this is? Largest 8. So 8 also existence, but above 9 not somewhat better existence. But it is transformer system. Observe this carbon and this one to this double bond in which position? Trans or not? Trans. Then it is possible. If it is both like this and bridgehead carbon, that time it is not possible. So keep in mind, at bridgehead position, double bond possible from 8 carbon ring onwards. That also in the trans form, that indicating a which rule? Breast rule. If it is given like this, this what do you call carbocation? Carbocation means what is the hybridization? In the last class I told you that how to identify the hybridization. Around this carbon, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups are there, means what is the hybridization? 2 groups are sp, 3 groups are sp2, 4 groups are sp3. Then it is which one? sp2. sp2 means again which type of this is trigonal planar. Then planarity present at the bridgehead carbon below 8 carbon? No. Then here carbocation also not possible. 6, 7 or 5, 6, 7 bridgehead ring. Got the point here? Carbocation double bond not possible in the 6, 7 bicyclo compound. It is possible when if it is 8 member or 9 member. That onwards it is possible. Got the point here? Now this is, tell me what is the name of this compound? It is bicyclic or only monocyclic? This is monocyclic. That time don't tell the monocyclic, just cyclic only. Tell what do you call this? Cis form or trans form? Can you write it trans form? Right. Remove this double bond, where you will place? What do you call this is? Cis or trans? Cis. Remove this and place here. What do you call it? Remove this and place here. Anywhere place, what you are getting? Then transform, how to get? Twist. Yes or no? How to twist? This smaller ring, you can twist it, but angle strain will be there. When you twist like this, that time you get a strain. Strain will, now angle is there like this. No strain. Long time I can stand like this. If it is like this, twisting it, then I will feel strain or not. So here also this ring will feel strain. That is called ring strain or angle strain, whatever that depends upon that. So due to strain, it do not exist in the trans form. Not concerned according to this one. This is different. So because both are given like this, that's why I am explaining here only. But this is not based on the breast, this is separate. So in cyclic, we will get cis and trans form when the ring is having 8 carbon. When the ring having 8 carbon. Below 8 carbon, 7, 6, 5 is there, we cannot tell the cis and trans. When we cannot tell the cis and trans, we cannot say here cis cycloalkene. Got the point? Look like cis, no? Then we can write cis. But when you have to tell cis, when there is a possible that trans, then we have to tell the cis. Trans form not possible means don't indicate the cis form. Got the point? That's why if you observe in the texture, cyclohexene is there, cyclopentene is there, cyclobutene is there. They will not mention as a cis cyclopentene, cis cyclohexene, like this not mentioned because their trans form is not possible. Got the point? When you have to say cis and trans, when both are possible. When it is possible both, when 8 member ring onwards is possible. Now 8 member ring I am writing here. How many members this is? Double bond here present. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then which form this is? This carbon and this carbon. Same side or opposite side? Same side means what do you call this? Cis cyclo-oct-ene. Why I am explaining here? Because this is also 8 carbon converts is there. This is also 8 carbon is there. That's why both should be remembering perfectly easy. That purpose I am explaining. Because I am basically actually naming, but this is different. Okay. Now this one double bond. This how many member? 1, 2, sorry. Because when you are not giving numbering, both should be consecutively. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is there or twisted. But it will not feel that much strain because it is larger thing. Yes or no? When larger thing is there, there is no feel. Otherwise, take one, your chutney also and bigger one is there, you just fold it, there is no strain. Smaller is there, you will feel some strain also. Same thing here. So when larger thing is there, we can say cis and trans form, but smaller is there, we cannot tell the cis and trans. Now we can write it trans cyclo-octene. This is achiral. Sorry, chiral. This is achiral. You know chiral, achiral? You don't know? Halo alkene chapter complete second year. Chiral means what is that? 4 different. Here 4 different are there. Here what is that? What is it here? This is double bond. What is it here? Carbon. What is it here? Same or not? Carbon, carbon. Same is it. Different are there? No. Then how to decide the chirality? That will discuss later. Now this topic was different. Again we will discuss in the stereo experiment. But you should know what is a chiral, achiral. You just go through your halo alkene chapter. There may be explanation. They don't know. So now these two topics are very important for competitive exam. Cis and trans form possible from 8-member ring onwards, and this double bond at bridge head carbon possible at the 8-member ring onwards in the bicyclo compound. This is over about the bicyclo compound and fusel ring compounds and bridge head carbon. Both two are considered bicycle. Now we will go for the one more example I will discuss here. Then we will answer or not. I will check. Tell its name. Come on. Any locant substance are there? No. Any primary, sorry, prefix second is there? When we will get locant and suffix is there? Secondary prefix is there. Now bicycle, we can write here bicyclo XYZ. Tell X number how much? 3. It means which one? This is bridge head. This is bridge head. This is bridge head. Don't press here carbon. Actually, this is like this ring. Not touch to this one, but on board it will touch. Got the point? Like this is. But on board it should be touched like this one. So this is one ring. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 5. Then you have to get 6. Here 6. Down or up? X, Y, Z should be in decreasing order. So decreasing order means this is 3-member chain. 1, 2, 3. Next 2. Next 1. Here how many chain are there? 2. Then here 1. Then it should be go up. 6, 7, 8. Anyway here substitute not there. That's why no problem. If substitute is there, that it is difficult. So now tell the number. This chain is 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Then chain is here 2, 2. Then here 1. Then close the bracket. Then total 8 oct 8. So like this example, if you practice, then you will get the idea. If classroom example, how many will teach? 4 or 5 maximum, depends upon our time. But you have to practice. Next, spiral compounds. Spiral compound means what is that? 2 rings bonded to same common atom. Fused ring means common carbon-carbon atom. consider this is which one? Rigid or fused? Fused only, because it having look like maybe rigid head, but not here. It is fused only. This is one ring. This is one ring. It having one common carbon. Clear? So you have to practice, because examination what we study they may not give. They may twist in any other form also. So spiral ring is two rings bonded to one common carbon atom. So now consider this is one spiral compound. This is a common carbon atom. This carbon atom is known as which one? Spiroatom. Spiroatom. That carbon is spirocarbon atom. Okay. Now here instead of bicycle, what you have to use the prefix primary spiro. Here X, Y only is there. Z not there. Here no Z. Why? Two only rings here. And that also numbering. This ring will come largest or smallest. Only two only possible. 3, 4 not possible. That's why Z not there here. That is Z not there. But here which order is there? Decreasing order. But here increasing order. That is the difference. Now this is numbering should be stored from not at spirocarbon here. Here what I given numbering should be stored from bridge head carbon, but here numbering should be stored from a smaller ring next to spiroatom. This is the spiroatom. This is next to spiroatom. This is also next to spiroatom. So here note down the point is numbering should be stored from the smaller ring of the spiro compound next to spirocarbon. Numbering should be stored from smaller ring next to spiroatom. Numbering should be stored from smaller ring that is next to spiroatom. Clear? And remaining rules are remain same. Don't forget the remaining rules. The remaining 4 rules are there. That as it is. That rules will not change. That is applicable for everything. Okay. This is only extra. Clear is this? Now, tell this name only. For example, this is one compound. Numbering both rings are equivalent or not? Equivalent. Numbering start from which one? Next to spiral. This is carbon, spirocarbon. This is next. This is next. This is next. This is next. Both are equivalent. Anyone you can choose, no problem. Right side or left side you want? That is your choice. Right? Okay. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is also your choice. Anyone follow it? No problem. Clockwise. Then it is like this comes. 5, 6, 7. Tell the name. No locations are there. Spiro. Then this one. 1, 2, 3. This is also 1, 2, 3. Both are equivalent. So no problem. 3 dot 3. Here also 3 is there. Here also 3 is. Next total 7 is there. At A. What is the point now? Now one more example. Like this here. Come on. This is a spiroatom. This is how many member ring? 4. This is how many member ring? 5. Then numbering should be started from smaller ring or larger ring? Smaller ring. That also next to spiroatom. Then now these are not now next to spiroatom, larger ring. Now we have to consider these two. Now top or bottom, which one we have to consider? Top or bottom we have to consider which gives the lowest number to the substituent. That rules don't forget. Got the point here? If I take here, this is the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I take here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both are again same. That's why anyone choose, no problem. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell what is the name? 6 methyl spiral good. This is how much smaller 2 higher. We increasing output first smaller, next higher. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then total oct 8. What is the word? Now. Come on. Now this is spiral. This is how many member ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 member ring. This is 6 member ring. Then this will not consider the next two spiral atoms because we have to start from the smaller. Then these are next to spiral atom. These two are next to spiral atom. Numbering you can start from here if it is. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go here, then it is 6, 7, 8. Double bond get the 9th position. If you start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is 8. Got the point? Then double bond got the least number. Substitute whatever because we have to give the least number to the multiple bond or functional group. And now if you take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, this direction or this direction will get the 6th one is the double bond. Therefore, I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tell the name. Come on. 8 methyl. Where? Spiro. This is small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. This is 5. Total deck 16. Correct? So, like so only any spiral compound that rules everything I explained. But you have to follow the rules and in that 4 rules, whatever that is applicable for all. Now we go for alkenes. Because now if you take alkene, this is maybe given. What is our first rule? Choose a principal carbon chain. In choosing principal carbon chain, the chain should have a maximum number of functional groups. Otherwise, maximum number of multiple bonds. Next one, longest chain. If it is tight, then it is more submitted. Now, double bond is a functional group not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 this 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7. Then numbering next. Otherwise, identify substrate. What is the substrate name? Ether. Then next numbering. Numbering should be right to left. Sorry, left to right. Right to left. Which one correct? Right. Because give least number to the multiple bond. Then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, tell at which position ethyl is there? 3 ethyl. Total 7. Hept. Then ene. At which position double bond is there? First position. Then hept 1 ene. Clear this is? Now, if it is like this is very important. The purposeful angle here. This is very important. Now, this type of compound is how many times dienes are there? Sorry, double bond how many times? 2 times. That is what? Diene. So in alkane plus diene, that time these two should be removed. Then write the name alka diene. So here alka, this A should be pronounced alka diene. Very important statement here, because generally we will forget this is. So try to remember this. When diene, triene, tetraenes are present, generally most of the cases they will use diene. If triene also, Ne should be removed, A is present. That time alka, tri-ene, alka, tetra-ene. Like this should be written. Now name it. Choose the longest carbon chain, that is only longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3. Which direction? Left to right or right to left will give equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. But, A, buta. Then number should be given. 1 position, 3 position, diene. Old books are given like this. 1, 3, buta, diene. This is also correct. This old format is new format. 1, 3 butadiene is also correct. 1 buta, 1, 3 diene also correct. Clear? Now, one example. Come on. Choose the principal carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there? 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, we want decrease better. Then what is it here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is better or 7 is better? 7. Then I will give the name here. Numbering should be from which direction? Both are same. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Substitute it the same fourth number. Double bond also gives the same position. No. Then anyone consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what is the name of this substance? If it is given like this, then what is the name? What do you call this? CH2 double bond CH2 now? Ethene. If it is given like this, methane. If it is given CH3, methyl. If it is given like this, CH2 double bond CH1 hydrogen bond, then E, remove E. Same alkane, how it is there? Alkyl. For alkene also same. It is IUPAC, but common name we know. You know that already. You can use anyone here. Vinyl also you can use, ethanol also you can use, no problem. Because only one substance is there. At which position is present? 4. Ethanol. Capital letter right? Ethe. 9. Total how many carbons? 7. Hepta. Because 2 times diene is there. Hepta. What are the position? 2, 5, diene. It is correct or wrong? This name is correct or wrong? See, everything we know the rules, but confusion standard. What is the first rule? Choose the principal carbon chain. Okay? It should have a maximum number of functional. Functional not the next multiple. So it should have a maximum number of multiple. Here how many multiple bond in this chain? 2. Second one, what is that? Numbering. Numbering, the multiple bond should get the least number. Here multiple bond will have how much number? 2. If you start from here, 2. In this one, if numbering 1, 2, then what is the number? Least number. Otherwise, then 2, 3, left also go, right also go, equal or not?